Welcome to Complete Data's Listing Leads tip. Let's have a look at how we can create the realestate.com alerts to records within our enquiries database. From the main screen we can select on enquiries, which will bring us through to a list view of all our current enquiries. To bring across the most recent enquiries from Agent Point's database, we can select on today's listing leads, which will go through and check for any records that have been entered since the last time we've checked their database. Now that we have these records in our list view, we can select the icon on the left hand side, which would take us through to the inquiry details. We can see we have the general ID filled in, so we can go through and we can categorize this to our ID if this client will become our client. We've got our inquiry type and our lead source, the inquiry date filled in, the client's first name, mobile number, email address, so we can contact this client. And we can see in the right hand side we've got the listing lead information, so the property they've inquired upon, the property address and suburb. About them, they're currently renting, so they're looking for some land for sale. They would like to inspect this property, so what we can do now is we can give this client a call and we can start filling in any information that we gather from that phone call. So we've got Miss Samantha Jones. We've got some properties that we may speak about with Samantha while we're on the phone. And what we can do with these properties that we enter here is we can SMS further details to Samantha straight away. If she'd like to just have a quick drive past these properties, I'll just grab a bit more information. If we scroll down a little bit, we can see the price ranges and we can enter in the buyer details that Samantha is looking for, and we can write any notes about our conversations that we have. If we scroll back up to the top, we can select our trails and we can set Samantha on an action plan. In this instance, it will be our 42-day buyer trail. We can select our trail. We'll automatically select today's date, which we can change if we'd like. Otherwise, we can select continue. It's going to enter in all the information for our trail for Samantha. Once we've finished with Samantha's record, we can simply move across to our next record and start gathering more information against Naomi's record. Thank you for watching today's quick tip.